Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I know you guys saw me replace these with new ones, right? But nothing is wrong with these, but I do have a nice little upgrade in my opinion that I think is better than those. And what is better than those, you might say? There's not that many out there, honestly. Except I found a super killer deal, dude. I found a killer deal on some OEM Jeep Mopar LED headlights, bro. I've been looking for a pair of these for so long, and I know that they're everywhere on they are everywhere over on eBay, but not at the price that I got them for. If you guys know about these Jeep performance lights, you guys know that they are expensive. For why? I don't know. I'll tell you why. Because they are the best looking headlights for Jeeps. The JK platform, that is. Now, if you guys can guess down in the comments how much I got these for, I might send you something, I don't know. But I got these for a super killer deal, way cheaper than the KC Highlights ones. So what I'm going to do is, I've been wanting to get my hand on a set of these for so long that I'm actually going to remove the KC Highlights. I'm going to remove my KC Highlights and I'm going to install the Jeep Performance ones right here. So I'm not going to show you guys that process. The reason being why is because I already did a video on how to change headlights on a JK. The procedure is a little different because you do have to remove the bracket on that style headlight, because these come with a full bracket here. So the little adjuster pins or height pins and whatnot, you know, these little holes here is where all that stuff goes. So alright guys, so like I said, I got those lights super cheap that I'm kind of on the fritz of hopefully I didn't get burned on them. I didn't get to try them out because the guy had already sold his Jeep. He claimed that they were in storage. So I wasn't going to take my whole Jeep apart at his house just to try the lights on. And the harness is a little hard to get to under the engine bay, as you guys would know. But I'm going to go ahead and hope that I didn't get burned. But I'm totally going to plug them in and test them before I button everything up, just to make sure that they work, so I don't do all that work and put everything back together and one of them doesn't turn on for some weird reason. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, I have some good news and I have some bad news. The good news is that I took everything off already and tested the lights. The bad news is, what I was talking about was that we have to remove this bucket because the lights come with their own bucket. But you do have to keep the ring to put on your Mopar Performance lights. So I'm not too sure how to remove these. And I know everyone always breaks the brackets when they're trying to pull these off, because these are pretty much like, they're just supposed to go pushed in. You're not supposed to be able to pull them back out. I know there is a special tool that goes in these little thingies right here. Let's see if it'll focus for you guys. Oh, there we go. I don't know why it keeps going into, maybe I moved it to manual focus, but you see that little thing right there? It's like, it's supposed to be able to like open it like that. That's what those are. And people just pull these out. And that's why a lot of the times on these Mopar headlights you see this bracket around here. those little things are broken, and what you don't want is for those to be broken because it's gonna rattle. I was very specific on the gentleman who had these to make sure that none of the tabs were broken or anything like that, and that is good. You'll find a lot of them on eBay with broken tabs, and we don't want no broken tabs around here. These are like whatever, because you can get these anywhere. I mean, off at, you know, pretty much any Jeep, and these buckets are a dime a dozen. The buckets on here are integrated to the lights, and I think that kind of sucks because, as you guys can see, it's all integrated, but none of these clips are broken. Usually these clips snap off right here, right here. You'll just see them broken, and then your whole thing's just gonna rattle. I'm gonna see if I could take these off without breaking them, and wish me luck. Success on bucket number 1. This looks really ugly. I need to paint this. So now I get to put the new lights on, and it's gonna look super sick. You guys ready for the price? 40 bucks. I got these for 40 bucks. Don't mind me, I'm on my way to the gym, but there you go. Jeep Performance LED headlights in perfect condition. They turn on. The high beams work, everything. But once again, guys, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications. That way you guys are always notified when a video is being dropped. I've been lagging it once again. I'm sorry. I got so much content to upload, and you guys are gonna see it. Catch you guys on the next one.